P-51D or Mark IV Mustang.
He'll be taking it back to the compound to check the aircraft over.
Rob Fleck is the president of Vintage Wings of Canada, is a captain with Air Canada, and used to fly the CF-104 Starfighter and the CF-18 Hornet. He was an instructor on the Hornet as we see him bringing the aircraft around on now what's called the base leg of the circuit. He's going to line up with our runway here at Airdrie and bring that beautiful aircraft back down to the ground.
Some interesting facts about the P-51 Mustang. The Mustang was designed and built in a whopping 117 days. It costs approximately $40,000 to produce. Nowadays, a Mustang will cost you about $1.5 to $2 million. And the aircraft just touching down there. The prototype was first flown on October 26th of 1940. At that point, the P-51A was powered by the just in case the airplane ground loops or some other incident happens and the pilot can get out of the aircraft as quickly as possible.
Well, we're hoping that they can figure out what's wrong with the aircraft and perhaps